The Somme, a landscape of memory. "100 years ago, this peaceful countryside was scarred with trenches and craters as thousands of British and Commonwealth soldiers died in battle. Today, those men are commemorated in the cemeteries and memorials of the Commonwealth War Graves Commission. Now the Commission has produced a new Battlefield Companion to help you discover the story of the Somme by visiting these beautiful sites. From the Great Memorial to the missing at Thiepval, with over 72,000 names inscribed on its walls, to the tiny battlefield cemeteries where men lie buried where they fell. As you follow the trails, you'll learn how each cemetery fits into the story of the battle and how they link together in the landscape. You'll discover the moving human stories behind many of the headstones, like Horace Iles, the boy soldier who sums up the human cost of the war. The CWGC Somme Battlefield Companion will take you on a journey into history, a journey to remember and honour the men who gave their lives for king and country.